This is a test run for Steward Jones. He's completed his 62 Fender Duosonic, which was sent to me in pieces, and I have taken the top off, and well, it didn't have a top. It was a solid alder body, which I milled down and put on a nice book-matched maple top, and put a nice little sunburst on there. We'll call it a T-burst. And then I put on a back, a nice figured back as well. It's got a matching cavity cover, which is off to show you the controls. Anyway, and it's got a new neck. It's got a nice maple neck with a Bacote fretboard on it. And you see it? I'm trying to get the light on. Yeah, there you go. Nice Bacote fretboard. Anyway, and I was able to find a guy who had the decals on the internet that sent me a Fender Duosonic decal that I put on the neck and then finished it with a pre-catalyzed lacquer. I'm going to run through some things on the guitar. It's got Seymour Duncan P rails, so it's got a P90, a single rail, and both of them together will make a humbucker. And so I will run it through the basic positions, and so Steward can get a good idea of what his guitar sounds like. All right, here goes. So I've got a backing track that I play on a looper, and we'll just go. That's humbucker position, both pickups. Got a really good sustain. We're going to go to the bridge pickup and with the same humbucker. We're going to go to the single coil in the bridge position. Both in the single coil. We'll go to neck in the single coil. And then we're going to go to humbucker in the neck position. Then we'll go to P90 in neck position. They'll hold note forever. Neck position, humbucker. pickups in humbucker position.